Jasmine's tea as we get ready to go through something that's on her mind. It's been steeping, it's been pouring.
I gotta bring my pot.
I know. I didn't bring mine either.
It's so good. Okay, so see, this is the sip part. Oh, it's okay. Next episode, I'll have my tea. So I'm gonna give you guys little tidbits for your tea, all my tea drinkers. If you're already into like Earl Grey, you're into black tea or like an English breakfast tea, make sure you put a little bit of creamer. I've been putting heavy whipping cream now. They say you're not necessarily supposed to, like it's not good for you,
Uh-huh.
but like the heavy cream isn't good for you, but it's really good in tea. So I say you try
My goodness.
it.
Not just cream, heavy whipping cream?
It's I'm telling you, it's so good. You don't put that much, like a splash.
Oh my goodness.
It's good.
Good.
I'm telling you, and it's
Ooh.
it's smooth. That's why you only do a little bit, so the tea's still dark. It's
Okay.
so good. I can't even just try it out.
I'm scared of that. This heavy whipping cream. All right, I'm gonna try it though.
You'll
I'm just
love
put
it.
a
I
little bit.
promise.
All right.
You'll love it.
All right.
Now, for the real tea, we're recapping. So the tea's from chapter 15, and the biggest thing that I wanted to touch on to my Gen Z, it really is for everybody. Actually, I think this is a universal thing.
Yep.
Is replacing your fear with hope. So in chapter 15, we see um, Abram really acting out of fear because the Lord made there was a covenant made, and the Lord let Abram know that he would there would be a child and he would have like a long lineage, and he's like, where's the proof of this? Where's the proof of this? I'm not seeing it. And sometimes when you're not immediately seeing the fruits come up, or whatever the Lord has already said is going to happen, if you're not seeing it right away, or if maybe there's even roadblocks or things that happen along the way, it may discourage you. And our first instinct is to act on our own and do whatever, do something that may make this happen, or, we'll see that in today's episode. Your first thing is to be fearful. Like all of that is stemming from fear. But something that I would encourage everyone to do is to be hopeful instead. So we get a lot of anxiety in the waiting for the promise, whatever the promise may be, whatever that thing is that you're anticipating. You get
Mm-hmm.
anxious, you start to worry about it, and while you're worrying, you're like, some people, I do. When I worry, I need to do something in the meantime
Hmm.
instead of just trusting that what is going to happen or not. So while in the midst of your angst, it's really important to realize that if you just have hope that there is a bigger plan, and that this promise or this thing that you're waiting on will happen. It takes out some of those negative feelings that you may be sitting with, and will prevent you from taking things into your own hands, which is what we see with Abram a couple
Hmm.
times. I had hope
Okay.
that wasn't gonna happen. But as we go on into the scriptures, you realize that he kind of continues on that, taking matters into his own hands, or the situations wind up ending up that way. So in the midst of angst, make sure you are stepping back to really understand that if you just have hope in the greater plan, everything will work out. It
Hmm.
not that there's no guessing whether or not it will work out. It will work out.
Right.
So just a little bit of encouragement
Cool.
for my everybody, not just my Gen Zers,
Not
because that's
just
pretty much
Gen
universal
Zers
thing.
this time. Sweet.
Yeah.